Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. And today in this particular video, I am going to discuss about API query string, which is one of the very important feature in API design. Okay. So already in my previous video, I have discussed in detail about what is the proxy concept, what is reverse proxy concept, what is the fundamental concept of API gateway, how to create get method, how to create post method, all this, right? Now, if you have these ideas, well and good, you can go ahead with this discussion only. But if you don't know this fundamental concept of APIs, then I will request you to go through the link given in the description box as prerequisite. Because those understanding, those concepts will help you to understand this particular video discussion, right? So if you recall, I already told that in get method, we don't send any data. Basically, we make a request using get method and we get back the response from the backend server, right? But if you consider post method, I have told you that not only the simple request, but we also put some amount of data in the post method, right? Which is basically used in the data processing in the backend server, and then we get back the response based on the post request, right? Now, this particular sending some amount of data along with request is not available for get method directly, right? So that's why this particular query string concept is present. That is, suppose you are using get method and you want to send some amount of information along with your request, that time you can use this query string concept along with get method to process your request. Okay, so how to work with this I am going to discuss. So same architecture what I discussed earlier I am going to use, that is API gateway. In that we will basically make a get request which will be processed by the backend Lambda server, which is basically Python. Okay, and the logs will be captured in the CloudWatch, right? So let me go to AWS Management Console. And if you see this particular URL, you will see one interesting pattern. So first HTTPS, which is basically used for our security purpose. Okay, then here basically we are having our endpoint, the main URL, right? That is console.aws.amazon.com/console, like this way. Then after question mark, here you see that we are passing some key values. See, NC2 is a key which is having the value 8_CT with the equal to as separator. Then AND. So after AND we are passing another key value, that is src equal to header hyphen sign in. Okay, so this is another key value, right? And then again AND. Okay, region equal to US East 1. So key equal to value, like that we have written, and each key value pair are basically separated by AND symbol, right? Ampersand symbol, right? So this is nothing but, that is, this particular part is nothing but query string. Okay, that is, we pass multiple key value pair along with our original endpoint. Okay, this is nothing but called query string. Now how to use this one in our API gateway, that's what I am going to discuss. So first I will create a very simple Lambda, and then here I will go to create function. I will give API get query demo. Okay, right? And then here I will be choosing Python environment, Python 3.7, right? And then here I will simply click on create function. So one particular Lambda function will be created for us, right? It will take some time to create, right? By that time, let me open API gateway in a new console. So this is our API gateway, right? And here our Lambda function is created. Here all we can do, that is, here we can write print event. Okay, like this we can write here, and then here we can deploy. No other change we did currently. Now let us go to API gateway and let us create one HTTP add integration. I'll be choosing Lambda function. Lambda function should be this particular one which we just now created. API name query get demo, like this randomly I am giving. Then here basically I have told you, right, that is query parameter mostly we use to send some amount of data using get method, right? Because already post method have that feature, but in get method we generally cannot send. So that's why we are basically using this query string parameter, right? So get method I have chosen, right? And then here this is our resource path. What is resource path? I already discussed in detail in my previous video. I am not going to discuss that again. I can simply click on next. Stage name I am keeping as default. depending on your business requirement, you might have dev, QA, prod, like this different configurable environment, but currently I am keeping the default one. And then here I can click on next, and then here I can go to create. Okay, so using this particular approach, our API gateway will be created. That is one particular API with get method, right? So let us go back to our AWS Lambda. Here currently nothing is showing. Maybe only we need to refresh this particular page, and here we'll be seeing one API gateway basically triggering this AWS Lambda. Okay, now how to use this query string parameter I am going to discuss. So I will be copying this particular piece alone. I will open a new window. I will paste this particular one, and then here I need to paste the resource path also. So I will go to routes, and here this is our get method, and this is our resource path basically, right? So here I will paste the resource path. Okay, so basically if you see that this is our endpoint and this is our resource path, and this is our for security purpose HTTPS we have written, right? And then if we maybe here in the code, let me return hello from Lambda, right? We can deploy this. Okay, so this is what we should get after the get request. So if I just hit enter, see here it is giving hello from, not Lambda completely, it is showing. I'm not sure why. Let me just redeploy it again. Hello from Lambda. Okay, if I just run again, see hello from Lambda is coming, right? Now this is our default one, which we have already seen also in our earlier demo. If I go to this particular monitor section, and if I go to view logs in CloudWatch, so you will see that CloudWatch will be basically capturing the 2 logs, right, for 2 triggers. You see that 2 logs are created. If I click on this, then here we have basically printed the event here, detailed event we are getting, right? Now let us pass some query string directly. So for query string in this kind of HTTP method, you no need to configure in API gateway level. All we need to do, we need to handle in backend server. Okay, so I have told you, right, that first we need to give question mark, and then we can pass the key value pair with hyphen, right? So maybe I can first pass country as one key and the value is India. Okay, and then I can pass another key value pair. So and ampersand symbol will be using for separation purpose, and then here I can give state equal to West Bengal, like that I can write, and then here I can hit enter. Again I am basically getting same response because in backend we have not modified anything. But if I just go to our CloudWatch, and then here maybe I can refresh this once, and then the latest log we can check, that is this particular one just now, the latest trigger. You will see that this is the event what it printed, and if you see here somewhere you will see, let me do Control F, query string. See here we are getting query string parameters, whatever we passed. See state colon West Bengal, country colon India. So like this way it will be coming in this event. Okay, so like this way you can pass multiple query parameters or query string with ampersand separator, and in between key and value equal to should be there, and make sure between actual endpoint resource path and the query parameter or query string you should give question mark as a separator. Okay, so now what we can do, we can use this particular query string, this particular key for our processing purpose, data processing purpose in the backend server. So for example, I can go to code, and here I can change some amount of code. So here this is our code, Lambda handler, right? So here event, then here we can use data fetched. Okay, data fetched equal to event of query string parameters. So basically this is containing the dictionary key value pair, like that format, and then here I can create message, okay, equal to the country is like this way, and the state is like this way, and then we can use format function for passing the country and state, right? And here let me, so basically this is one is dictionary. If you see here, that is this particular logs. So here query string parameter, here this particular key is having one dictionary, and in dictionary we can extract the state and the country, all this using key value pair, right? So all we need to do, we can put here country equal to data fetched of country, that is this is the key, and state equal to data then fetched of state. Okay, so this way we have extracted the dictionary from query string parameters, and then we have extracted the different key values whatever we passed using our get request using this dictionary key value pair, and then we are formatting one message like how we do in Python, and then we are returning this message. Okay, right? And then all we need to do, we need to deploy this one. Okay, so here I can deploy this one. So our latest code is deployed, and now see, I will basically not change my query parameter or anything else, just I will make same request and invalid server, internal server error. Okay, right, some error we got. Let us see. In CloudWatch I will be going, and then here this is the latest log. Let us see what error we got. Okay, state is not defined. Okay, right, let me check what is that issue. So here okay, S is capital, right? So all we need to do, we need to make this S as capital. Whether country is also capital, C, no, country is in small letter. Maybe what we can do, let us make country as capital only, both capital, and then let us deploy that. And here we will use, sorry, this particular C we will use as capital. Okay, so see, country is India, country is the key, India is the value, ampersand symbol. So another key value we are mentioning, state equal to West Bengal, right? So here maybe I can write like this way, West Bengal, and hit enter. Again we got error. Let us see. The CloudWatch logs. str object has no attribute format. No, not format, format, right? Format. Deployed. Let us run it again. See, the country is India and the state is West Bengal. Maybe instead of West Bengal, I can write something else also, right? Maybe I can write, for example, Kerala, right? If I hit enter, see, the country is India and the state is Kerala, like that. Okay. So this is how, using the get request, you can pass some amount of data also, right? And this is called query string. So I hope you understood this, and the basic concept is very simple. No need to change anything in API gateway level. All you need to do in the event, if you pass any query parameter in the event, it will come as this kind of key value. See, I will show you again. So this is our latest log, and here basically if I just show you event, then here you will see that query string parameter is coming. So this is the key using which we can extract this particular dictionary, which will contain all the query parameters like country, state, and many more. Whatever, how much parameters you have added in the URL, that many number will be coming here as key value pair. Very simple concept. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.